e sangayo ngai ngai nake nung ting na so ne sangayo ngai ngai nake nung ting na so ne sangayo ngai ngai nake nung ting na so ne sangayo ngai ngai e sangayo ngai nake nung ting na so ne sangayo ngai ngai nake nung ting na so ne sangayo ngai ngai nake nung ting na so ne sangayo ngai ngai e sangayo ngai nake nung ting na so ne sangayo ngai ngai nake nung ting na so ne sangayo ngai ngai nake nung ting na so ne sangayo ngai ngai e sangayo ngai nake nung ting na so ne sangayo ngai ngai nake nung ting na so ne sangayo ngai ngai nake nung ting na so ne sangayo ngai ngai e sangayo ngai nake nung ting na so ne sangayo ngai ngai e sangayo ngai ngai nake nung ting na so ne sangayo ngai chay 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 e rading mo kakilay nandarong indano kakilay nandarong indano nanoy kendarong indano nandarong indano kakilay nandarong indano nanoy kendarong indano rading mo kakilay nandarong indano kakilay nandarong indano nanoy kendarong indano
This dance is typically danced on special occasions related to hunting. It celebrates the valor and success of hunters, highlighting their role in securing food and ensuring the well-being and happiness of the community. Sakung Lam is also performed to honor successful individuals such as esteemed community members and distinguished guests, including village leaders on important occasions in the village. With the Vaikung Lam. The Vaikung Lam dance, accompanied by rhythmic drum beats, plays a central role in Khom celebrations. It marks the highest moments of joy during important events such as weddings, village festivals, and honor days. Performed collectively with elders seated and respected. The dance involves pairs of men and women dancing to the drum beat. During these occasions, participants offer gifts both in kind and money as a gesture of thanksgiving and celebration.
Hello.